Hello, do you already know GOFER, the Uber-like employee transport management application that makes company vehicle requesting, assigning and paying as simple as ordering a taxi? It enables simple vehicle booking, employee ride management, automated payments and expense tracking. Unlike Uber designed to maximize revenue for the taxi services, GOFER minimizes transportation costs for companies. Have you ever thought about how much time your staff spend on business ride management now? Employees request vehicles for various business requirements and obtain approval from the manager. Then hands this form over to the transport department. Dispatchers have to keep track of multiple requests for various days and times with no internet connectivity. Assign available vehicles with less chance to optimize. Keep all trip records for the tedious task of calculating driver payments with less possibility for accuracy. Drivers call employees for pickup with no traceability if the driver was late or if the employee was late. This is a lot of effort with not satisfactory outcome. GOFER relieves everyone of paperwork, calls, visits, verifications, and here's how. An employee books a vehicle online with the requirement, destination, date, and time. The manager will automatically see his staff requests and approve them. The dispatcher assigns vehicles for approved trips for any future dates. They can share the vehicles when possible to optimize the vehicle usage. Now they can focus time on something else as GOFER will take care of the rest. Once dispatchers assign, GOFER informs the drivers on their mobile application. The driver uses the GOFER mobile application to accept or reject requests, track earnings per mileage, number of trips, or time in trips. They can send notification to employees like arrived or late and rate the passengers. The finance specialists manage transportation budgets across the company or in particular departments. They can allocate budget to teams and departments, redistribute funds between departments based on actual vehicle usage. For example, the sales department exceeded the budget traveling to clients, while the service team has made only few rides. The sales team can't request vehicles anymore. In that case, the finance specialist can allocate the service transportation budget to sales. Transport managers have a global view of what's happening with their company's transport, like how many vehicles are available on trips, what are the peak periods, who uses the company cars for private purposes, how much do business transport cost to your company. Knowing this, transport managers can enhance the transport system and optimize car utilization across the company. And this is what you really get: automated driver payments and mileage calculation, trip management and reporting, no paperwork as all billing documents, requests, approvals, ride log, transport catalogs are stored in GOFER real time. Cost-saving transportation with vehicle sharing, optimized payments to drivers, private trip detection and shortest routes. Plus, you spend fewer resources to calculate driver mileage by keeping a track of daily usage. Optimize fleet usage and minimize idle time. Centralize control as employees, drivers, dispatchers and managers interact within a single interface. No human errors and miscalculations. So how to get it? GOFER works with most popular GPS hardware on the market. So we can connect your vehicle to GOFER really fast. GOFER is a cloud software, so there is no upfront investment into software, only subscription investments. You get instant benefits and savings cover these subscription payments in the short run. The early users of GOFER already sum up the implementation results and reports 20% savings on employee transportation. Uber must change the face of taxi services. Let GOFER do the same with corporate transport. Contact Cloud IP to learn more.